Good evening, welcome to Republic TV. Viewers, as today we spread the message of hope, we know India is going to win and combat COVID-19. Joining us is a very special guest. She is world-renowned, she's famous for her inspirational teachings, her talks and getting to know people. It's my proud privilege to be presenting to you Brahma Kumari Sister Shivani. Sister Shivani, firstly, Om Shanti. We closely watch you. We get inspired by what you have to say to millions of your viewers. I personally get up each morning and it's my privilege to be able to hear your words every morning. Sister Shivani, a short while ago, in fact, today I heard your words on the 9 minutes and the significance of this and how you said we have to have positive thoughts. So for the viewers who are joining us, Sister Shivani, some words about what they should be speaking, thinking in silence for those 9 minutes, why it's so inspirational and how you think this can reverberate in the world.
Our thoughts have the power to influence our feelings, body, nature, and the world. So while we're taking care of everything physical, we also need to take care of our mind. For the last few days or months, collective vibrations of the world are lowered because of fear and anxiety, panic and stress, disease, and also death. So this initiative of the Prime Minister to bring us all together is not just symbolic as far as unity and coming together, but it's also so that all of us will together create very high energy thoughts of peace, power, health, protection, faith. Even when one individual creates high energy thoughts, it vibrates into the environment. So imagine the impact when the whole country together will create those vibrations. It will empower everyone all over the world, not just the country. It's not going to have an effect only on India. The vibrations will radiate globally. So it will have an effect on everyone's mind, which is the first need of the hour. Because for us to be physically healthy, the immunity power to be able to be strong, we need to be emotionally and mentally very strong. So when together we create the high energy thoughts, we will be radiating power to everyone's mind, we will be radiating power to everyone's body, and we will be able to radiate power to nature and environment. So it's really going to be a magical moment as far as vibrations and energies are concerned. And I think we all have experienced the power of thoughts and vibrations, prayers and blessings. And we all experienced it, individually, family, or a small group of friends. Imagine the whole country doing it together. Really, I'm looking forward to seeing what magic this is going to create.
Sister Shivani, I heard that short message you had also recorded earlier in which you said, when everyone comes together and we sit in silence and when we have certain positive thoughts, could you please enlighten our viewers by telling them what they should be thinking in silence for these 9 minutes? Because I recall you saying that we should think we are healthy and together we will be able to win. We are protected, and you'd also said that we should be happy. We should say we are also happy, Sister Shivani.
When we sit together for 9 minutes this evening at 9 p.m. with the diya in our hand, the word diya means to give. So we are giving through the power of our vibrations and thoughts. So we will be sitting together with our family, but we need to take care. It's not just a casual sitting, laughing, talking. It's not just we are sitting out, but we're chatting about something else. No, then we will not be able to serve the purpose. So let's sit in silence. Let's pray together. Let's meditate together. And some of the high energy thoughts that we can create together are, I am a powerful being. I am a peaceful being. Situations and people do not influence me. I influence situations and people. I am a fearless being, confident and faithful. My body is perfect and healthy. The Supreme Power God, His purity and power is an energy circle around me. It's my protection shield. Absolutely nothing can enter into this energy circle. God's vibrations radiate to every person in the country and on the planet. Everyone is peaceful, powerful, and happy. Everyone is fearless. Everyone is confident and each one is healthy. God's energy protects our country and our planet. And together we are united. And we are certain success is definite for us. Victory is definite for us. It is a certainty, not a probability or a possibility. It is a certainty, that's for sure. So when collectively we create these thoughts, we will be radiating this vibration to every individual, to everyone's body, and to the world.
And Sister Shivani, this is so wonderful. It's so wonderful because this is your service to the nation. The Prime Minister this time has done something different, Sister Shivani. The onus of doing this and coming forward in an appeal by the Prime Minister has been put on the people. So this is people driven. It's responsibility India has to take to ensure that whatever the globally world is feeling collective consciously, we move towards happiness, we move towards a sense of well-being.
We all need to know that disease is a low vibration. So disease in the body is a low vibration. The virus is a low vibration. To be able to finish it, to be able to win over it, we'll have to raise our energy and vibrations. If we create panic, anxiety, criticism, blaming, pulling down each other, then we are lowering our vibrations. And the lower we go, the tougher it will be to fight against that virus. So let's go higher and higher and higher, and magic is certain then.
And my last question to you, Sister Shivani, you are traveling around the world. I've seen several of your lectures. We've all been inspired by what you say about Sankalp. This time, the Prime Minister has been speaking about Sankalp and Sanyam. It's very clear that it is we together, united, that can combat COVID-19 or any disease that's out there.
We all have read the book Secret. We all talk about law of attraction. In Hindi, the word is very simple. Sankalp se siddhi. Thoughts manifest. That was law of attraction. And I don't think there's hardly anybody who's not heard or read about law of attraction. So really, it's the time to use the law of attraction. Sankalp se siddhi. What we think will manifest. For the last few months, we've been thinking and talking about the disease. It's important to know about it, to take care about it. But you know, when we keep talking, oh, today so many, now it's going to be more, next month it's going to be more, it's going to take 3 months more, you know, so then that is manifesting. Spiritually, I for myself and everyone at the Brahma Kumaris together, we create a thought, the virus is finished, it's over, it's gone. Each one is healthy and happy. The world is back to normal, better than what it was 2 months before, because we've all come back enriched, wise, living a new lifestyle. So we create thoughts which we want should manifest. We want it to finish, so we create a thought, it's finished, it's gone, it's over, never ever to come again. That's how we talk about this virus or think about it. Because what we think radiates, vibrates, and manifests. So let's collectively think, it's gone, it's over, it's finished. And let's use Sankalp se siddhi, the law of attraction. Our thoughts manifest, it becomes a reality.
Brahmakumari Sister Shivani, we want to thank you for being with us. On a personal note, I just want to add, personally, having been watching you for the past few months, it has helped me be more positive and be more kind, something that you always teach. So even as we say Om Shanti to you, the one thing that you're telling us, and viewers, this is a very important lesson. Whoever we are speaking with throughout the day, the positivity goes through. There are some pessimists who might try and fearmonger, but the bigger picture, like Sister Shivani is saying, it's time to collectively come together. At 9 p.m., 9 minutes, positive thoughts, an appeal from the Prime Minister to everybody.
Thank you so much, Om Shanti. We'll all be together at 9 p.m. in silence, creating the pure and powerful thoughts which we want should become the reality, the destiny of our country and our planet.